What is up YouTube? Welcome back again. It's a buddy Technoboy, and there you can see that's the Zebronics 5.1 soundbar, and that's the Zeb 9530 Pro WS Pro, and this thing is having the Dolby audio. On the right side you can see that's written there, Dolby audio. So this thing is a very nice one, though this company claims that this is a 400 watt RMS, but actually the sound is like 360 watt or something like that. This is loud enough, but not as loud as the 9400, but this is loud enough. But the point is the sound separation is much better than 9400 or any other Dolby soundbar in this price range. Let me show you once the surround speaker. The soundbar is right there, and the surrounds are right. One is right there on the right side, and the left one is there right above the door. So it's very high, like more than like almost 7 feet of height. So it's right there. Let's start with some music, then some trailers, and the Dolby Atmos sound test. So let's start the show. So I want to talk a little more about the sound. As already I told you in the sound test video, the sound is very nice, but as this is connected to the TV using HDMI, and as that LG TV supports the Dolby Digital Audio, and this thing is the Dolby Audio supported device, so that's why the sound is like much more better when I tested with the Bluetooth. And now here the surrounds effects are very nice when I was listening to the song. And another thing is that bass, many people complain about the bass. Yeah, the bass is like huge, and when you reduce the bass like minus 5 dB, still the bass is huge. So what to do in that case? In that case, if you use the music mode, equalizer, movie and sports, the bass is going to be huge. But if you want a low bass, like I do when when the satellite TV is connected and TV is just displaying the news and some series, TV series, serials and all. So that time I use the news equalizer mode. When you press the news, then you can feel the difference in the bass. The bass will go down, and then you can increase the bass like to 0 or +1. Then you'll hear very low bass, but there will be enough bass for those things that will not hurt your ears at all. But when you are like want bass, listening to music and like action movies, then you need bass. Then use the music mode or the movie mode, anyone whichever you like. Then the bass will be huge. So now let's check some more.
इस सिंहासन में झुलस रहा अतीत आज भी जिंदा है। इन भूतियों का तो फायदा उठाना चाहिए।
भाभी, आपके गले में क्या है?
ये तो एनिवर्सरी गिफ्ट है।
इससे तो सीधा मौत होगी भाई। ये शापित है। ये शापित है। के सम्राट पधार है। महाराज की जय हो।
आमी महाराज, मैं हमारा अंगरक्षक।
इतिहास के पन्नों में इसका जिक्र कहीं नहीं था।
मैं महसूस कर सकता हूँ।
नेटफ्लिक्स कौन चालू किया रे साला?
If you're seeing this, something's happened to me.
It's time for a reboot. No action.
Dispatch, we are getting robbed and we need backup. We're being jammed.
Ever hear of Evil Knievel?
No way.
Oh yes way.
Everett.
Dolby Atmos, the world's first object-based cinematic audio. With powerful moving audio that transcends from channels to moving around you with pinpoint accuracy. Whether the soundscape sets the mood of a scene,
Come on, you guys, let's go.
or captures the full extent
Do you want to know my secret?
of nature's fury.